Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make 8 Tresure Sticky Rice with dark brown sugar. This is one of the must-have dishes at Chinese New Year's Eve dinner in my hometown in Sichuan. Today I'm going to share with you traditional way my family makes. I have 1 cup of sticky rice, also known as glutinous rice. I've soaked about 2 hours. And first we're going to rinse the rice and boil it. I pre-boiled a pot of water. It's boiling now. So we're going to add the rice in and boil about 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, we're ready to drain the rice. Now we're going to drain the rice. You can also save the rice water for drink. First, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons dark brown sugar, or you can use regular sugar. And we're going to mix them up. Maybe a little bit more. Now next we're going to assemble the rice. To assemble the rice, first we brush some oil in the bowl. All over the bowl. Now here's our 8 treasures. I have orange peels. You can put whichever way you want. So they will be at the bottom. Here's the dates. I soaked about half hour. And some goji berries. I also soaked about 10-15 minutes. Then we have cranberries. And here's raisins. Now some peanuts. It's just like all your snacks you can put here. They're all roasted peanuts. And I have pecans. Put 2 here. Walnuts. Yeah, I think that's it. That's bottom. Put this aside. Now we just fill the rice on top. Spoon. So we just assembled the sticky rice, and then we're going to steam about 20 minutes so all the sugar will be incorporated and will be even more sticky. Now the water is boiling. We are ready to steam the rice. We're going to steam about 15 to 20 minutes. After about 15 minutes, our sticky rice is ready. We're going to plate it. To plate it, let's put a plate on top of the bowl. And we can use a towel because it's very hot. And then flip it. Just move a little bit. Still hot. Let's use a towel to open it. Very beautiful Eight Tresure Sticky Rice. It looks good, it tastes good, and brings you good luck. Hope you guys are going to enjoy it. You can also enjoy the rice milk. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.